Hey guys, this is Murtaza from NetworkerZone. Welcome back again to another video of WSA. In this video, we'll be seeing custom URL filtering. So till now, URL filtering was done on the basis of WSA's default database. All those websites were present on the database of the WSA, as I showed you in the previous video. But what if any website is not present on the WSA's database and the need is to do filtering for that particular website? So for this custom URL filtering, what I need is that I have two social networking sites configured here, Facebook and Instagram. I want to allow employee PC to get access to Facebook and from social networking, and the rest I want to block. So that means I'll block social networking. So that means every social networking site will be blocked, but only Facebook I want to allow. So for that, I'll use a custom URL and I'll allow that, and rest will be blocked. And for my admin PC, I want to allow Amazon and block other shopping websites. So let's go on admin PC and take a GUI access of WSA. I'll navigate to Web Security Manager. Down here, you can see under custom policy elements, select custom URL categories. I'll click on that. I'll add a custom category. I'll say Facebook, for example, FB, www.facebook.com, and I'll say submit. I'll add another custom category, that is Amazon, and that's www.amazon.com. I'll say submit, and I'll commit my changes, commit. I'll come under Web Security Manager again, and down here you can click on access policies. But before that, I want to add my URL categories to web, my identification. I'll go under employee PC, and down here I'll select URL category. I'll select Facebook and the rest of them. Let's not do it. Just let's leave it for now. Okay, I'll go under access policies, and under access policies for admin PC, I want to allow Facebook and block the rest of the social networking sites. So yeah, it was necessary, I forgot. I'll go under admin. I'll click on admin PC. Down here, I'll select the URL category, and I'll select Facebook for this, and I'll say done. Now I'll submit, and now I'll click on employee PC and do the same for that, and I'll be selecting Amazon for this, Amazon, and click done, and then click submit, commit changes again. I guess it's not saved. I'll select Amazon and say done. Wait for it to refresh, and I'll say submit. Again, I will commit my changes. Commit again. And now I'll navigate to Web Security Manager, and under Web Policies, I'll select Access Policies. And under Admin PC, I'll come here under URL filtering. I'll select this. And Facebook, I want to allow. Oh, I missed to select the others, sorry. I have to select adult. Sorry, where is that? Where is that? Sure. Social networking sites. Yeah, here we go. Social networking, done. And I'll click submit. And under employee PC, I'll select shopping with Amazon. With the custom URL Amazon, I'll select shopping so that Amazon will only be allowed and the rest of the shopping sites will be blocked. That's my task. You can't do it with the help of simple URL filtering, because in that one you select the whole category and you make changes, you take actions on that particular category, not on particular website. So it's helpful, it's very convenient way to use custom URL filtering and to take actions on particular website, and you can block the rest of that category that from which that URL is belonging. I'll go under access policies. I'll say admin policy. Oh, I don't have to go up. I'll go back. I'll click here, URL filtering. And under social networking, I'll block social networking, only allow Facebook, allow, and I'll click submit. I guess I have to do both. Yeah, allow and block. And now I'll commit my changes. Commit again. And under employee PC, I'll select URL filtering again. Amazon, I want to allow, and shopping, I want to block. So I'll click submit. And I'll commit my changes. Commit again. So if I want to review my configurations, I'll click on URL filtering of employee PC. Amazon is allowed and shopping is blocked. Okay, I'm done for here. Now I'll go on my admin PC. I'm on my admin PC. For admin PC, I guess Facebook is allowed and the rest is blocked. Yeah, I guess I'm right. Yeah, Facebook is allowed. So I'll say www.facebook.com. You can see I'm able to take access of Facebook. Now let's try with Instagram. I shouldn't get the access of Instagram because I have blocked the other social networking sites. You can see I was only able to get the access of Facebook, but not the whole social networking category. Let's try with the employee PC. I should be able to take access of Amazon, and the rest of the social networking sites should be blocked. Like there is Flipkart that I have configured, www.flipkart.com. I hope that is correct. Yeah, flipkart.com. Yeah, you can see that category, that particular website is blocked, that comes under the shopping category. And Amazon.com also comes under the category of shopping, but with the help of custom URL, I have taken an action to allow this website. You can see I'm able to take access of Amazon. Here you go. This is the IP address of the WSA. So admin PC is accessing Facebook via WSA. The traffic is going redirected to WSA, and WSA is going out to Facebook server and getting reply. But admin PC is not able to go to Instagram. It cannot request the page. It has requested the page of Instagram, but it is not able to get it because I've blocked that category. but only allowed Facebook. And same I have done with the employee PC. I've blocked shopping category for employee PC. So employee PC should not be able to get any of the websites from the category of the shopping websites. But I've allowed Amazon via custom URL, and I'm able to take access of that particular websites, and the rest is blocked. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.